Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the vendor comparison template in Figma, brought to you by Alive. This essential tool is designed to simplify your vendor selection process for learning and development initiatives. First, let's understand what a vendor comparison template is. It's a structured tool that helps you evaluate and compare different vendors systematically. This is crucial for ensuring you select the best vendor to meet your organization's needs. For learning and development teams, choosing the right software vendor or training provider can significantly impact the effectiveness of your training programs. With numerous vendors offering various solutions, it's essential to have a clear, objective way to compare them. The right vendor will align with your goals, enhance your training outcomes, and ultimately contribute to your organization's success. In Figma, the vendor comparison template provides a structured layout for this task. You can input and analyze data about each vendor, such as their offerings, pricing, and support options. Start by opening the vendor comparison template in Figma. You'll find a structured layout designed for easy vendor evaluation. Begin by adding your potential vendors to the template. Input key details such as vendor name, cost, and contact information. Next, compare vendors based on essential criteria like features, support, and flexibility. The template allows you to rate and assess each vendor systematically. Use the visual tools provided to see strengths and weaknesses at a glance. This helps in making well-informed, data-driven decisions. Collaborate with your team by sharing the template. Collect feedback and ensure everyone is aligned on the evaluation. Ready to simplify your vendor selection process? Download the vendor comparison template in Figma today and streamline your evaluations.